Amifa Fidi so encha omo enti wunyina ngunimdiewi kunimdie Emma party no it's also victory for common sense.
Victory for common sense?
Yes.
Why?
Because the more proper assessment of the China drew Nkugwa Naba Yama but so for Biayan Vishimu, the Indian Kugo Baye. Nayina who say, and yet Dr. BAWUMIA and the Maidin Kugu. Obisi or Bamu have a contest here. A person, the party in the cafe, Yashima, Kwanze, Utmidia, Obetimiako. So, now, Emum, if you want to say, Nipa, ask me, see, Dr. BAWUMIA and my she, Nipa, some beginning moon. Amunka, Pedia, Maniswadi Hunuma party, Maniswadi Hunuma, or Mino, Enina, stay in the tear. Mammy. Not to do one, there's a daily attacks on one person. Ono my Lucia, where Cremoni India, where Simon India, and when you stop a booth and feel a Zongo communities now, you go for Plant Abamano. Animana, or more canals, and no credit. Partino. At the report now, Munim says, or more than and yet the party could not step out to protect and defend the content of report. No, not the idea. I'm sorry. Many people cry that in the year. It didn't papa working. Why? And the party couldn't talk. Maybe many of at the NSA. Now the party has spoken. The party indeed has spoken. The idea now and trouble no air corner. Now, I too personalized. That's what they use, you know. We are party officer from the constituency level, from the electoral area level, from polling station level. And now, we need to now, you should be a ma. Oh, the Mr. What attack Nipanoa. And they are winning. Party no share yen so ne say. Who are polling station? Who are electoral area? Who are constituency no? Who now say Okopo party who the rule? Everybody are waiting to know who the rule. And then, some of them be again. But there was a Kobo Nipan who the rule. And yeah, no, who disagree with policy there. Or can want them better. But the men in Yagi. And he passed me say, I'm doing the chili. No, the baby, me, the two, when we go on, this is way then you better. I'm doing the chair. And again, in Yakwa Bay, then a contest of ideas.
Yeah.
And about a dinkum. And to say, Sana, who call after I go Castle, million imagine name of the other any. And name Democrat, you know. The dick of mammy to be a man your AD, you know. The Rudona can be the Yajuma. And you go for the Rania de Mao.
Sure.
Now, wait here. I don't know. And I saw did not took them crew woman a war yet, oh, no. And they were in Kunimno. I bet them what my U10. aka say okobode ho de uba
enti ono me pacho wadaro me pacho
ombetiada
me pacho wadaro mo said ye wo kan say kwen omode doctor Bawumia e de faso na nye no say no ne ton e wo 2028 elections mo no general elections mo no e be dingama MPP amanyoku na na
oh anything I'm just talking about almost past that time no I'm party officers I kuno shishe no say wo so na okoto no wo akokoro no say after Obe discussing issues, we are not discussing issues.
Sure.
Stand panel. Sorry. Stand panel. Why they not about the wood? That's my worry.
And 1 year, yes, I know. A bear dingamo mo pass.
So now then, after a few who's in the walk over the who's in the Jacoyano. And then the hammer, but notwithstanding, we should strive to bring everybody together. Staying united behind the man. So, now the business again is it's meeting 2028 now.
Now, honorable, said me pacho, mintawa no so, said ye wo kan no de. And ye ebe dimpa ma MPP amanyoku no because ensem bia nipa bi mu kafa aye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho no. Na eni enyanye pa. Say no, how do you unite your party?
The good thing is that instead of no, you don't know enye lokwase ndi ani. Nduko papa. Asemi nyina so no thing. Sanya no kwenti no. Na tete wo no ko kan sema nyina no kre eguli pa so a. I'm talking about the individuals concerned.
And they are members of your and they are members of your party.
And because support this, you know. And when Abamayo. You say, Unya, floating which is Mombeka.
Sure.
The one cut out for no. Say, will be a form ID, in a circus and you to like the Israel. Then you want to reduce your goods.
No, correct.
What I say. That is why we should forgive one another and be united behind the person. Now, Yampanenko, against you know. Nti ne kase be dia masanko for na men kase be dia party no
na sa honorable so who can say so a 1 year be dinga mom no omo nyina ye amanyoku ni ba MPP amanyofu from ma nti no say whatever it takes we should strive to still bring everybody on board in spite of nyesi no say ebo modern ye ka obia ebum say wona wa offend wo so one say how to the extent to say anybody mafia so one say subhana the person will come around so now we need everybody here will be a so be adeba na yenyina ya ka bum aye party na juma ni aye candidate no aduma send be ya ebetimi awene. There are many people at the various constituencies that they are the corner, including even some MP. So, indeed, woman, yanto omonke, and daddy, and before say obi from kuma, so be from ya. No, correct.
So, whatever we can do to get people to rally behind him, we'll do that. And indeed, we have to do that.
It's a idea I was a more year because 1 year 2028 general elections a bad thing am MPP amanyoku and even say you shed a year Musa Dankwa a crowd about 12 on tenga or no chile say a year candidate via NDC amanyoku in the bebano a idea omuntimi MP Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia
entimi ending kunim over that candidate. Sang asam ne beto dwai. I know, sir, you have a reaction to it. What is it?
Oh, first of all, sir, in the Danko, the Okan, and Yadia, you probably know the idea. May and trouble no the Casa. What are they? But in politics, can you really be truthful to yourself? Tell me your position you have to in 10 years from now, 3 years from now.
Is it possible?
Have you seen that before?
It is not possible.
And the idea me just say in America, make us say, yes, there 5 people who to make us out. But the fact that political research, political opinion polling, now say, who can assembly at home and neck in Germany, Juma. You see, in politics, even one which can change a lot of things. Now, what you can you
Sure.
And she said, from now, no, now what has happened not to her. And then any opinion, Pulu, lay a prophecy now, dear man. And then your opinion, put a prophecy now, dear man. The prophecy is with the and the Bekai and Omobra and Omosori and Omuti no I. That we ever travel now, we can look at your say. God does not double speak. Yami, Onka Asem Onka Asem Chrono over one side of the mouth. Enka different thing. And on the another side of the mouth is a different thing. Then it's not coming from God. More canwa, what the Yami and Akana. And she said, Bending. Mama Yami didn't draw. Yamis won't carry the angel. Semicano and Cherry Diana say, a trouble we are. You be who Yami and conscious for any bow and conscious for. I now one group of prophets said BAWUMIA be winning. Another group will say, from BAWUMIA. Then one group is not speaking from God. I'm not talking on behalf of God.
Okay, so Bipacho, can we then conclude, sir? 1 year, one more prophecies, no, ebemu. Dr. Mahmoud BAWUMIA, a winner, you know. One more, their prophecy, though, who say every nyame?
I don't want to go into who is talking from God's own revelation. I don't want to talk about that. They make my kind of say, Bakoye on people.
Now, said the name say no credit, dear Dr. Mahmoud BAWUMIA, the likes of Nigel Gazy, Neonia Kikakikano, Eddie prophecy by say, Dr. Mahmoud BAWUMIA by with and pampa so abem. So we can deduce and say, one of the no efrinyame.
Minia. Say, Obioha, or Tiluhuna, or what you be a boy. Thou Bewekia, when your numbers go up, the bono. Or see, look to me a calculation.
No crepa.
One calculate 50 times, I need. But put to woman and what's your calculation?
Sure.
The one. Obika say, John. Sir John, and it can happen.
Fear delegates.
Sir John of blessed memory. Or say, aye, Madam Noah, Okono Honor, also Okoji, American visa. Or more American visa. Or no, what me, Emma American visa. Kaniba, Eti, Mayanka, who a Nigeria. With him, American visa. Send them back, Enti, a Mayanka, I will Nigeria. And if they'll come back on the tomorrow, doesn't mean that
Every I don't want to go there. You don't want to go there. You don't want to go there. Very, very well. Very, very well. But very, very well. But I am so glad you are happy, because there was a time I engaged you on this network, and you were saying, say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will be winning by over 70%, and now we are having 56 point, I think is 3%, getting to 57%. How about that, you?
Sometimes you want to scare people. you over-exaggerate your strength. What do you say? To scare people. Because me, my customer for your opinion will be out. What another workers?
Sure.
SOMPA FM. If you ask me, realistically, no. Because we're aiming to win about 75%.
Sure.
Internal posts that was giving us something 65, around 65 to 70%. What do you say? Just around 65%. Now, more than 65%. And realistically, no. Now, maybe if you say 65%, plus or minus 3%, maybe next case scenario between your base 62. Between your base 68%, close to 70%. And you be the power or not me imagine.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Even that, yes, sir. Yeah, but from Kakra. But to me, it's still very good. If you have, close to 57%, why are they? Don't forget, say, we are understand a year 2023, no, a year special delegates conference. Yes, son of Soba, 5, and year main.
Right.
That's number one. Number two is that, let's face it, anybody I'm a year can name Brian. I want to contest move out.
Yeah.
Like 2023, so this one was fiercer than the 2023 contest.
Wow.
However, the outcome not sure say. Bawumia constituencies are winning at this time. I think they are winning 2023. So we have, in terms of the spread, the victory, we have covered many more constituencies than we did in 2023. It means that a greater number of constituencies, have bought into his message. There are some constituencies that we lost. And even some regions they lose the course with here. What I say? It doesn't mean that I won't, but the same day I call constitution man about that. But one family, and we move forward.
But some have also made the argument, say, a candidate, a MPP for the Nabano, a candidate, Ghana for a pair na. Sasam no majiri pisa wati. Na wati ya, anu ye ben na odebe maomo. Me pato say.
Ghana for Peno.
Ghana for Peno.
Yes.
But utie
then it goes into Girintia Ilusuye in 2024 elections. Was it attributable to him? No. Investigations a year in Ashanti region, which I fortunately said, Professor Michael KYEI, a chair at the national level, Conrad Adena Foundation, almost investigations, university professors, indicate strongly to us then that Abane Luciano, what me Francois, Dr. Bawumia. Same conclusions. Both may fail. External factors to any governance issues. Party and then, to some extent, electioneering campaign was the management.
Sure. Electioneering campaign, electioneering campaign management. Because I know, say, now we during the 2024 elections, now we are in charge of the manifesto committee. And and you are saying, sir, the election management, and of which you were part. Would you say, sir, Wabra now we are in charge of the manifesto committee? You didn't perform well.
No.
Oh, there is
a report about resource distribution.
Sure.
And then I work on the resource distribution. Manifesto, all who attest to the manifesto, come to the conclusion say this manifesto that we did is arguably the best manifesto that the party has produced since 1992, without question. And the other day,
resource.
Yeah.
Okay. But how would the ordinary
let me fact and what the student say. And it's not about the candidate himself. The performance, yes, the KYEI we had 41.7, and people are saying, oh, now we won, and now the friend is saying that came up from about 41.7. In 1996, President Kufuor attained 39%. 4 years thereafter, he swung and was able to win. In 2004, President Mills against Kufuor obtained 44%. In fact, 2000 Unya 43%. The second round, Unya 43%. The deciding vote. The following year, the following succeeding elections, 44% in 2004. Yet, 2008, and they could fall from 39%, in the next succeeding election. 41.7, yet didn't go win the next succeeding election. It's possible.
All right. Honorable
Mills, as I said, swung it down. Don't forget, before against Rawlings in 1996, Kufuor had 39%. Rawlings had 57%. 57%, and then Mills is to the bar. 43%, Then NDC didn't give up on him. They repeated him. He had 1% increase, and then the next succeeding one, he won. And it is not like MPP formed, and I say Ghana formed, It's not like that.
All right. Very well. Maminda